Hi viewers, so in today's video we are visiting at Skyi Songbirds. So this is the driveway to the project, and this project also has a shopping complex. So here you will get various shops and stores. Now this is the garden and the jogging track. And now we are showing you the construction site of the upcoming towers. The construction work is going on in full swing. And this is the Pune Western Club. It consists of various modern amenities, both indoor and outdoor, as here you can see the cricket ground. And this is the kids play area. Next we have an open theatre, cricket practice nets, football ground, fully equipped gymnasium, and many more. So now let's take the interior view of a 3 BHK apartment. And the carpet area of this apartment is 835 square feet. So here's the main entrance. And first we are showing you the guest bedroom. And this room is designed with an attached washroom. So viewers, if you want to know about the pricing and other details of this project, watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for latest real estate videos and updates. Now let's move forward, and here's the dining area. And this is the living area. Finely crafted, and it comes with an attached balcony. So now here we have showed you the spacious living cum dining hall. And here is a modular kitchen, skillfully crafted. It's an open modular kitchen which has efficient space. And here's a utility balcony attached to it. Now let's move forward and see what's next. So here to my right hand side we have a common washroom. And this is the kids' bedroom. Very well furnished. The room has a big size window for maximum ventilation of light and air. So it's a 3-side open apartment. And now finally we are here in the master bedroom. And this room is designed with an attached washroom. And here's a standing balcony in this room. So all the rooms are thoughtfully designed and are well ventilated and has a good space. Now here is an attached washroom with the master bedroom. So friends, this we have showed you a 3 BHK apartment of Skyi Songbirds. and you can check the pricing and other details related to this project on your screen. So friends, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you're interested to book an apartment here, contact our sales team at the given number. Thank you.